Human fascination with gold is as old as recorded history. 1792, the United States Congress passed the Mint and Coinage Act that established a fixed price of gold in terms of US dollars. 15 August 1971, a number of attempts were made to salvage the gold standard. 2011, the foundation of the Gold Standard Banking AG, one of the most successful companies which specializes in the trade of minerals and precious metals worldwide. There's a global distribution network for industrial minerals and metals in more than 120 countries. 2020, GSB presents new cutting-edge products and services. Blockchain gold asset LBMA price connected, ready to be traded on a stable rate directly on our exchange. It is using the most advanced decentralized blockchain protocol, safe, cost-efficient, and fast. Digital G999 card, the safest way to secure your digital blockchain assets. Use our new digital card at the size of a credit card to pay the merchants. Gold point of sale. If you are a gold bullion dealer, this is the best way to increase your sales. Our community will trade digital gold to pick up it physically. You can directly exchange the tokens and transfer fiat into your bank account. GSB consists of GSB Gold, International Business Blockchain Platform, Universal Gold Merchant, and Gold Standard Digital Bank. We invite you to discover our products and services. You can pay using our decentralized blockchain solution, everything and everywhere. Register now. Find out more about GSB on our website, g999main.net.
Welcome to the Lydian world, the blockchain game where you can earn, learn, and have fun. 2022, the world has changed, the internet changed, and the rise of the blockchain changed the entire industry and forced us to rethink. Blockchain gaming became the day-to-day opportunity to generate income. Some chase the mining, while others are doing the trading. The pursuit of our unlimited incoming resources has begun. Whatever it takes, leaving behind the unknown and embracing the new technology, the new era, the Lydian world. Here, the unlimited income resources are waiting to be claimed, but not without our engagement. We are the driving force of the Lydian world. We are the Lydians. This strategy is entirely in our hands, and we can choose which citizenship to get in order to build a future for our beloved ones. Passionate about mining or in need of a crypto-friendly credit card, a highly active trader who needs extra guidance, a developer who wants to promote his project, or a society-educated gamer who aims to make profits out of his own NFT shop and enjoys the time gaps with the Telegram trivia. You are connecting to the Lydian world incoming resources. Every single action of more than already 350,000 citizens is distributing rewards into Lydian world. Every time a card is swiped, every time an NFT transfer is completed, while you play, even while you sleep, Lydian world rewards you. It continues with a new vision, but do you know what marks the success? Perseverance, imagining the unimagined, and above all, possessing your own piece of virtual land to transform a grand idea into a grand reality. Pick a land. Press a button. Up you go. Behold your decentralized property, built to stand the test of time. Open your own business and share it with the others. From outwards to the city center area, until zone by zone, the city is taken over by its citizens. Multiple digital businesses rise alongside. A new era of luxury, shopping arcades, medical offices. Throw open their doors to an unlimited era, the blockchain. But something is missing. The design of your building is a way to define your own business, where you can approach your own digital architect. It won't be easy, but it will be worth it. After all, with the power to create and trade, whoever holds the land NFT shapes the city forever. So, what is your vision?
All right, greetings, family. Good morning, good morning. Glad that you can tune in to this crypto morning. This is your brother Mahdi, CEO of New Millennium Banking and Fard Money Network. Today we got a powerful article that we want to go over. Very important to us in the crypto world because it's coming out of Binance. There's some coming out of Binance dealing with the Swift payment system. So you want to make sure you hear that. But before we get in that, let's look at the cryptocurrency market. The cryptocurrency market is still over $1 trillion. So that's a plus. It is down though 0.44%. The market cap is down 2.44% in the last 24 hours. Bitcoin is still over $22,500. The last 24 hours, Bitcoin is down 1.40%. Last 7 days, it's still up 4.5%. Then Ethereum has dropped below 1,600. Last 24 hours, Ethereum is down 4.5%. Last 7 days, is down 3.5%. Binance is a few pennies below $300. In the last 24 hours, it's down 4.5%. In the last 7 days, it's down 1.29%. Now let's take a look at the G999 token. All right, the G999 token is up 3.21%. It's up 4.71% against Bitcoin. It's up 8% against Ethereum. So the G999 is doing very good today. So if you're looking for a coin to trade and leverage some trade, you can leverage that. You know what I'm saying? And trade it against Bitcoin and Ethereum, you'll even get more. So take a look at that. That's for the traders. So now let's get into the article. And this is coming breaking news. This is really breaking news. This was a big topic that came, I think it came out over the weekend. But this is big news. 3 days ago. So yeah, around the weekend. Binance banking partner to ban crypto trading transfers under 100,000. So that's going to stop a lot of liquidity on Binance. And if you don't know, Binance is considered the biggest crypto exchange on a good day in the world. And this is some Swift payment system. Now, the Swift payment system is directly connected to the IMF, the World Bank, the ECB, and also the Federal Reserve. This is the number one European payment system in the world, Swift. So they're targeting crypto. So it's a whole plot and a plan behind why they're doing it. But don't worry. So they're not blocking all liquidation, but they are blocking transfers of anything less than 100,000. So the whales now, the big crypto holders, the rich crypto folks, it don't affect them. But the little people, it's affecting them, and it's going to slow down a lot of volume on Binance too. Clients of one of the banks facilitating fiat operation with Binance will not be able to trade crypto through Swift transfers of less than 100,000. The transaction minimum aimed at reducing the exposure to digital assets will be introduced by the financial institution in February. So this is coming. Bank working with Binance sets $100,000 transaction minimum for crypto traders. Wow. A bank serving clients of the world's largest cryptocurrency exchange, Binance, will only process customer transactions exceeding $100,000 starting from the first day of February. The new minimum will be imposed as part of the lender's decision to limit its exposure to digital asset markets. So they don't want the masses. They don't want the masses to be involved in dealing in crypto. This is another attack on crypto here. One of our fiat banking partners, Signature Bank, has advised that it will no longer support any of its crypto exchange customers with buying and selling amounts of less than $100,000 as of February the 1st. This is the case for all of their crypto exchange clients, Binance said in a statement shared with Bloomberg on Saturday. As a result, some individual users may not be able to use Swift bank transfer to buy or sell crypto for USD for amounts less than 100,000 USD. The measure concerns retail traders with accounts serviced by Signature, and the exchange assured customers is actively seeking a new partner for Swift transfers in the United States dollars. Swift is the most widely used global system for interbank transfer, right? So we know who controls that, right? This is a sly attack. Only 0.01% of Binance monthly users are serviced by Signature Bank, and no other banking partners are impacted. The crypto company pointed out through a spokesperson. Card payments and non-USD transfers will not be affected. The news comes after in December, the New York-based Signature Bank revealed its plan to shed up to $10 billion in deposits from digital asset clients as it pulls back from the crypto industry. The move was announced in the aftermath of the collapse of FTX, one of Binance's main competitors, which filed for bankruptcy protection in November amid liquidity issues. So they want to do this. So they're trying to collapse Binance, or they're trying to affect them, and they're trying to stir people away from crypto. This is what they're saying. It's all right here. Traditional financial companies have been geared by contagious fears during a turbulent year for the crypto space, with falling prices and a number of crashes. Silvergate Capital, the parent company of California-based Silvergate Bank, which deals with crypto transactions, saw its shares losing 40% after customers withdrew over $8 billion of digital asset deposits in Q4 in 2022. Signature shares fell 64% last year. The report notes its decision comes after the United States Federal Deposit Insurance Corporation, FDIC. Man, this is a fraud. That's not even federal. Issued a warning regarding risks associated with crypto assets. See that? See, there it is. There it is. See, all you got to do is read. See, we don't like to read. That's why we don't figure stuff out. See, reading helps you open your mind and help you see what's really going on, but you got to really read to get through it. You can't read partial of stuff. See, some of us might have saw this and just read some of it and then didn't even read it full. So you want to find out what's really happening, you got to read it in depth, and you got to look at the players that are named here, right? So they already dealing with Swift. They already talking about a bank in New York, all right? A bank in New York and a bank in California. Two states where it's a Federal Reserve Bank at. Now, here we get to the end of it. Now we're talking about Signature shares fell 64%, the reports notes. Its decision comes after the United States Federal Deposit Insurance Corporation, the FDIC, issued a warning regarding risks associated with crypto assets. Business models focused on crypto-related activities are exposed to crypto asset market, raise safety and soundness concerns, the regulator said in a statement released in early January. So this comes after the FDIC. I thought the FDIC just insured banks or whatever. So they issued a warning regarding risks associated with crypto assets. But when is the FDIC? Have they issued a warning dealing with the banks that they supposed to oversee? Because they supposed to insure your money up to $250,000 dealing with the central banks. That's what the FDIC was created for. But this is a partner regulator to the Federal Reserve. Make no mistake about it. They are at the whim and the mercy and the control of the Federal Reserve, the international bankers. So the FDIC, because we deal in crypto, and a lot of people ask us that, is this FDIC insured? Well, we like that centralized stuff. But just because a bank saying it's FDIC insured doesn't mean anything. It don't protect you from the bank freezing your account. It don't protect you from the government seizing your assets. It don't protect you from hackers. So what is the FDIC really there for? It's a smoke screen. It's an illusion for you to think you got security and protection in the banks, which you don't. So, but they issuing out a warning about crypto risk, but they don't got no warning about these central banks. And we see more and more by the day, more and more incidents are coming out about these central banks, and the big ones too, not the little small ones, the little credit unions and stuff like that. It's coming out about the big ones. JP Morgan, Bank of America, Wells Fargo. These the three top banks in America. But the FDIC ain't put out no warning about banking with them. Man, it's all a fraud, man. Pay attention to the signs, family. Please, 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 please study. Do some research on what is being presented to you. Do not let this information pass you by. It's a currency war going on. So the powers that be, they want to attack crypto so they can discourage most of the masses away from crypto. That's their agenda. Until they figure out what they're going to do after the dollar collapse. They're trying to figure it out. They don't really have a plan because crypto and the blockchain, it really got them off balance. They don't know what to do. They got to focus on this. But they got other issues they got to focus on too now. So they stretch. They confused. So they running and scrambling. So anything that they do is going to be an emotional response. But it's only going to aid the greater cause. That's going to ultimately free us from their control and ultimately destroy their system. So please, family, if you haven't subscribed to our YouTube channel, Forward Money, please go do so. If you're not following us on Instagram, follow us, Forward Money Network, Facebook, Forward Money Network, and also on Twitter, Forward Money. And if you want to follow me, my personal page is Forward Mahdi on Facebook, Instagram, and also LinkedIn. So with that being said, family, we thank y'all for tuning in, and we will see y'all in the morning with another episode of Crypto Mornings. See y'all in the morning, family. We out.
Volatility in the crypto market is massive right now. This rise and fall of the market is almost impossible to predict. However, it also brings with it massive potential. Right now, everyone has the opportunity to start making money. Even small funds today could create new millionaires of tomorrow. GSPartners.global presents you with a unique product, NFT certificates, which give you access into the metaverse. These meta certificates are the key to a virtual world where you are able to gain, win, and earn. Go back 10, 20, 30 years ago, when Amazon started onboarding multiple partners and suppliers, all participating and offering their products in this new technology called the internet. In this new market of the technology age, now we have the next evolution of the internet era, a new market with a new technology called blockchain. Welcome to the metaverse markets of NFTs, technology partners, celebrities, all coming together in one new world, Millennium world. You'll meet many tech partners, developers, influencers. Technology partners include BD Swiss, a decade old, top-tier European financial brokerage. Celebrities and sports champions include Floyd Mayweather, Roberto Carlos, and many more. Build meta cities, sell NFTs, play games, earn through meta broker, meta mining, and tap into all the income resources of the Millennium world. Get your Metaverse Certificate NFT today and start to earn from our multiple opportunities right now. The evolution is a Millennium world. The evolution is now.